In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize the cell size on your Excel file created on the office.com website. But first, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers, I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website and start creating your file. Then you should go to your home page by tapping on this home button on the left side of the screen. After that, you should tap on this format button on the right side, and here you can set the cell size in the first section, including the row height. So here you can type in the value, and you can also use the default units or pixels, and if you are done, tap on the OK button, and as you can see, the size of the row has been changed. If you go back, you can also auto fit the row height, as you can see, so it has been reset to the default units. You can also alter the column width. Tap on OK, and here you can see that it has been changed and updated according to your set preferences. However, if you would like to set it back to the original or default size, then tap on this auto fit button and then it will be reset. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.